How are you today?
Good.
You guys coming?
Yeah. It is. Hopefully it's doing the car box. It's a car.
Here, let's come on, guys.
She brought her buddy with her.
Aww, they both did.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Here, let's just go straight, I think. Let's go that way.
Scissors?
Come on,
Yeah.
follow your sister.
They should be under there too. Scissors under there?
Actually, we might be heading to that room.
Clothes are in the back.
Over, okay.
For this?
Sure.
Scissors? Oh, thank you.
So when we first got to this yard sale, I noticed the Sidney Crosby jersey hanging up on the wall. Well, they had it marked as game used, and they wanted $100 for this jersey. Now, knowing a lot about sports memorabilia, I really didn't even have to look to see if this jersey was game used at all. First off, Sidney Crosby game used jerseys are super rare. Second off, if you find a Sidney Crosby jersey for $100 and it's marked as game used, I can almost guarantee it's a fake. Just because you do not see many Sidney Crosby jerseys out there, especially game used ones, and especially that cheap. There's a ton of markings you can definitely check to see if the jerseys are game used. There's certain tags and just certain markings that a lot of the teams and leagues put on their jerseys to tell you if they are game used or not.
How much did you put on that Crosby jersey?
Pardon me?
How much did you put on the Crosby jersey?
I can't remember.
Let's go around the corner.
What's that?
Nope, we're going this way. Ready?
Look, I don't think we've changed it.
Sorry.
Excuse me, I'll get out of your way.
Scoot over this way. Here, excuse me, Michaela, let me. I don't see, you know what's funny is I don't see that jacket. I bet they did. It was a nice jacket. If they knew what they were looking for. I thought there was going to be some decent t-shirts here.
We just noticed it this morning. Probably bumping it around.
These prices are outrageous. $17. That's not a bad hat right there. That's not new. I have to look out in the garage too, though. I don't see that jacket. I'm kind of mad. Let's look out in the garage real quick. That's fine. Watch the step. Come on. Let's go this way. Here, follow your sister. Oh, I missed that.
Follow the leader.
I missed that step. Don't touch. You know what we haven't found yet is any Tupperware. Do like this. I wonder if Bobby would like this. Put an apple pie.
Pumpkin.
Apple.
Pumpkin. Maybe look down this time.
Okay.
I just bought one of these. I bought one of these.
I got stuff inside, too.
I bought the older version of it though.
Can we go now?
Yeah, in a second.
Caution, step up. Either that or you fall down.
That's right.
But I'm hungry. Yeah, can we go to McDonald's and get breakfast?
Oh, let's make it.
Because I'm hungry.
Gotta go get my ride and blankets too.
Let's see what year this was.
Yeah.
Oh, when you get hungry, you can play.
Yeah, that's not what we need though. Okay, come on, let me pay for this, then we'll go. Yep,
What is that?
movie.
What kind?
Oh, look at your little
Aw.
animal. Gee. That's so cute. He looks so real. Name him.
So are these new? Can't. It looks like they are.
Yeah, they were used.
One, two, three. Oh my God. That's it.
Right, give him a better price for that stuff.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to take it off,
Yeah, I'm gonna probably take it off. So that's
then
4.
why don't we just give you the lid and everything?
Well, I'm just gonna take this stuff right here. So that's 1, 2, 8, 10. Yeah,
Okay.
Where do you keep the bags?
Underneath that table.
This bag's right here,
And
and
there's
this bag's
under
inside.
the table.
so what can we do for all that?
Mine?
Oh,
Everything?
that's fine.
Okay.
Up that step.
$11.
Somebody likes Mickey Mouse, huh?
I love this stuff.
I like Goofy because he's just like me.
Perfect. No problem. Thank you.
These are the jigsaw thing.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go, guys.
Bye, girls.
To the car.
Have a nice day. Thank
You too. Thank you. Bye.